ChronoSync versus Carbon Copy Cloner. Choosing the right backup software can transform how you protect your data without risking loss or downtime. Both offer powerful backup solutions but differ in features and approach. ChronoSync and Carbon Copy Cloner are two leading Mac backup tools. ChronoSync focuses on synchronization and flexible backup options, while Carbon Copy Cloner specializes in creating bootable clones and streamlined recovery. Their core difference lies in backup strategy and user focus. ChronoSync is a versatile Mac backup and synchronization tool designed to keep your files up to date across multiple devices. It works by allowing users to create custom sync or backup tasks that can run manually or on schedules. Its strength lies in its flexibility, supporting two-way sync, bootable backups, and cloud storage integration. ChronoSync also offers detailed control over file selection and conflict resolution, making it ideal for users who need precise management of multiple backup targets. However, this flexibility comes with a steeper learning curve for beginners. It may take time to configure tasks properly, but once set, it provides reliable and comprehensive data protection. ChronoSync is perfect for power users, professionals, or anyone managing complex backup routines who want full control over synchronization and backup processes. For those looking for a highly customizable and feature-rich solution, ChronoSync delivers exceptional value. Carbon Copy Cloner is a Mac backup utility focused on creating exact bootable backups of your system. It works by cloning your entire drive or selected files, enabling quick recovery in case of system failure. Its main strength is simplicity and reliability. Users can easily set up scheduled backups, and the software ensures that backups are bootable for seamless restoration. Carbon Copy Cloner also offers incremental backups to save space and reduce backup time. While it doesn't provide two-way sync like ChronoSync, its straightforward approach makes it ideal for users prioritizing disaster recovery and system migration. Limitations include less granularity in file synchronization and fewer options for cloud integration. Carbon Copy Cloner is best suited for users who want a dependable, easy-to-use tool for full system backups and quick recovery, especially those focused on bootable backups and minimal setup. It's a great choice for individuals or businesses that value speed and simplicity in backup management. Comparing ChronoSync and Carbon Copy Cloner highlights key trade-offs. ChronoSync excels in synchronization flexibility, supporting two-way sync and cloud storage, perfect for users managing multiple devices and backup targets. It requires more setup but offers detailed control. Carbon Copy Cloner, on the other hand, focuses on creating bootable backups for rapid recovery with a simple interface and scheduled incremental backups. This makes it ideal for users who prioritize disaster recovery and system cloning without complex configuration. For example, if you need to keep files synchronized across devices or with cloud services, ChronoSync is the better fit. But if you want a reliable, easy-to-use solution for full system backups and quick restores, Carbon Copy Cloner stands out. Both tools are robust, but your choice depends on whether flexibility or simplicity and bootable backup capability matter most. Choose ChronoSync if you need advanced synchronization, cloud integration, and granular control over your backups across multiple devices or locations. Opt for Carbon Copy Cloner if your priority is creating reliable, bootable backups with minimal setup for fast recovery. It's perfect for users who want straightforward, dependable backup and restore capabilities. Both tools excel in their niches, so pick the one that fits your backup needs best.